Do you believe some people pretend to support you but secretly want you to fail? When people say Filipinas only date foreigners for money or a better life, what's your reaction? How many dates does it take before you introduce a foreigner to your family? What shows that a Filipina loves the man, not the money? Sorry, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Okay lang, ano lang, short questions man lang. Ano lang, about relationships, okay lang?
Relationship?
Yes.
Sige po.
Okay lang, pero may edad mo ba? 18, okay lang. May we know what's her name and age?
I am 18 po and I am Lucy po. My name is Lucy.
Lucy. That's a very beautiful name, Lucy. Do you believe some people pretend to support you but secretly want you to fail?
Oh, for my opinion po, I think yes po. Some people would want support us in a fake way po, but in a way that somehow they want us as well to fake. So they pretend to be our friends or family that or like someone that love us, but in reality, they just want us to fail in an aspect so that they can rise higher than us po.
Have you ever experienced that?
I haven't experienced that because all of my friends are very supportive of me.
You're very lucky.
Thank you po.
Very blessed, right? Okay. Now, when people say Filipinas only date foreigners for money or a better life, what's your reaction?
So, for my reaction about that po is, I don't think it's always true po. It's not always right to say that Filipino dates a guy only because of their money, their status po, because they think, oh, they're Americans, they have a lot of money. It's not true po. Because there's some may date men because, oh, they're nice or they like them. Not because they want to get something from them. They want to get love maybe from them.
Okay. Do you think it's unfair for people to, like, let's say, generalize Filipinas that are, they're only going to date foreigners because, they want to have a better life?
For me, they should not generalize that because it's not right to say that they want to date or they want to marry a American man because of who they are and so that they can have a better life or like move abroad. It's not like that because some they get married to Americans or like them and they even stay here and they have a good life here in the Philippines.
How many dates does it take before you introduce a foreigner to your family?
So for my opinion, maybe I'm not sure po, but I think it might take maybe if you get to know each other first, maybe a week or 2 weeks before you introduce them to the parents po.
How many how many dates do you think is that? Like two?
Maybe 2 or 3 dates po as much. Yes, po. It's better to get to know him and as well introduce him if you think it's the right timing as well po.
Okay. How do you think or how can you tell that you're ready to bring him home so your family or your parents could know him?
Um, when I think I'm ready, maybe when I see, oh, I have talked to him, I have gotten to know him a lot, and I think, oh, he's a nice guy, and I think he is worthy of bringing him home, and so that I can introduce him to my family.
Okay. When you feel he's worthy.
Yes, when he's worthy.
Okay. What shows that a Filipina loves the man, not the money?
I think a Filipina shows that they love a man not just because of not because of money. Is when they show their love as a Filipina because as Filipinos, they're very caring, nice, and they are so loving people. So if they show that they love that guy and treat them well, and or other like their children or other family members, then it shows that they love them not just because of the money, not because of the money, because of their heart.
Because of their heart, and then if they show that they care.
Yes po.
Okay. Are you a pure Filipina or you're half?
Oh, I'm half po. That's why I'm good at speaking English.
Well, that's very noticeable with your facial feature. You're half what?
I'm half German po.
German.
Yes.
Your father is the German?
Yes po.
Okay, and you live here in Naga, right?
Yes, I live here in Naga City.
Born and raised here?
No, I was born here, but I was raised there. I have been here for maybe 7 to 8 years already.
7 to 8 years. Do you love the Philippines?
I love the Philippines a lot. It's in my heart. Parang
Oh,
Filipina ako. I'm a Filipina by heart.
I love that. Okay, you're welcome. Are you single, babe, or do you have a boyfriend?
I have been single since birth, but I haven't had a boyfriend yet.
Okay.
But I want to have one when I am given the chance.
Are you picky?
Mm, Sometimes I am picky. I have some things that I don't like in a guy and things I like in a guy.
May we know what is your ideal man?
My ideal man po is someone that is caring, nice, and supportive, as well as doesn't have bad habits that are of dislike to our parents or for myself as well po.
Excuse me, may pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami, YouTube. Okay lang, ano lang, kahit 2 minutes lang. Talk about English. Relationships. May we know what's your name?
I'm Keishal. I'm Keishal.
Facial. That's a unique name. Beautiful. Okay. So here's the first question, Ben. Do you believe some people pretend to support you but secretly want you to fail?
Yes po. Definitely yes. Ano, based on my experience po, nowadays there's a lot of people pretend but secretly backfire you. Especially for me, I'm a teenager and I'm starting to grow up. I'm starting to build my own friendship, but earlier they failed me.
And why do you think it's happening? Like, why do you think they do that?
For me, insecure and mm, I have a lot of I have a lot I have a lot of achievements in school. Then they tried to backfire me because of that.
They're jealous or insecure. Okay. When people say Filipinas only date foreigners for money or a better life, what's your reaction?
No. I disagree po ako dyan. Ba't po, I am disagree for that po. If you love that, if you love that person or either boy or girl, you prove them. You prove them that you don't love them just for money.
Are you single pa or do you have a boyfriend?
Single.
How long have you been single?
For 2 years.
Ay, excuse me. Sorry. Di pwede ka ma-interview. Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 4 questions lang. Okay lang? May we know what's your name and age?
Mary po, and I'm 18.
How are you today, Mary?
I'm okay po.
You're okay. Mary is very cute, guys. Okay, so here's the first question, Mary. Do you believe some people pretend to support you but secretly want you to fail?
Yes po. And for me po is, I can also sense them that they are faking it po, that they are supporting me.
Oh, okay. Why do you think that is?
Because they are jealous of me po. And they think that I cannot do what I want. That's
They're jealous and they don't believe in you. Like you can, do things like that.
yes.
When people say Filipinas only date foreigners for money or a better life, what's your reaction?
Then for me it's not true po, because some foreigners po is like na they are na they are approaching po, like some foreigners po really approach Filipinas because they are a hardworking woman po.
Some foreigners approach Filipinas because they are hardworking. The Filipinos are hardworking.
Yes po.
Okay. Okay. Now, how many dates does it take before you introduce a foreigner to your family? Let's say you are dating, a foreigner. So how many dates does it take before you introduce him to your family?
I guess po is like 1 month po.
No, how many dates?
Dates. 5 or I guess 5 po.
5. 5 or?
or more po.
5 or more, 5 dates. Are you single ba or do you have a boyfriend?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
It's just few weeks po.
Few weeks. What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Bernadette and I'm 18 years old.
Bernadette, you're so pretty.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. She's very pretty, guys. Okay, so here's the first question, Bernadette. Do you believe some people pretend to support you but secretly want you to fail?
Yes, I believe because sometimes I experience that and I know that they're backstabbing behind my back.
Why do you think they're doing that?
I don't know. Envy? Like that?
Okay. Well, she's very pretty, guys. So maybe that's why. I'm just joking. But do you think because you're pretty?
Sometimes.
Okay, sometimes. Okay, well, how about this one, babe? When people say Filipinas only date foreigners for money or a better life, what is your reaction?
Wait po. Nalat lang. Hala, English.
What is your reaction when people say Filipinas date foreigners to have a better life?
I think disrespectful because some Filipino wants a true love, not about money only.
Okay. Okay. Now, how many dates does it take before you introduce a foreigner to your family? Let's say you are dating a foreigner. So, how many dates do you think before you introduce him to your parents or your family?
I don't think so, but I think if we both ready and I know that he's the one, then I introduce him to my family.
Right away.
Yes.
So, how can you tell that he is the right one?
Wait po.
She's very shy. So, how can you tell that he is the right one?
If wait po.
It's okay. How can you tell? Iling ka lang ba sa camera, be?
I felt that he's the one for me if at wait lang po. Na mental block ako.
It's okay. You can say it in Bicol or in Tagalog.
So, malalaman ko po na the one na siya sa akin kapag ramdam ko na and kapag hindi lang sa words, kundi sa actions na rin yung mga ginagawa niya for me, then he's the one for me.
So she said that when she feels it and when she could see it through his action, not just, by words. What shows that a Filipina loves the man, not the money?
I can say that Filipino women love the man not for money. Maybe if she can do everything for his man and she can feel to him that they love him not for money.
If she can show that she really loves
Yes.
him. Okay. Okay, well anyway, Bernadette, are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Honestly, I'm single but I'm already committed to someone.
You're single. Single. Okay. Are you still studying, right?
Yes po.
Okay, may we know what's your course? What are you studying?
Midwifery po.
You're 18?
Yes po, I'm 18.
Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube and Patreon members. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.